Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to be taking you through signing up on Sage to create your own profile, start invoicing, processing your bank, and also accessing reports. You get 30 days free trial on Sage, which you can use and then start paying after the 30 days. So you log into the website, Sage website. It's sage.com, www.sage.com. And you click on solutions, then you click on small businesses, Sage Accounting. Then you enter your information on this page, which is your full name, your company name. You want to enter correct information as it will be reflected on your statements and also your entire profile. At the bottom, as you go down, you go and see the field for referral code. For your referral code, you're going to enter R939 220. R939 220 on your referral code. And you continue to authenticate with your cell phone number. After authentication, then your profile will be created. Thank you for watching. Please check out the next video on how to log into your Sage.